Welcome to the spoken tutorial on non-vegetarian recipes rich in vitamin B12. In this tutorial, we will learn about food sources rich in vitamin B12, preparation of a few recipes. First, we will understand what vitamin B12 is and its role in our body. Vitamin B12 is a water-soluble B vitamin and is also known as cobalamin. It is required for various functions in the body. Let us see a few examples. It is required for the formation of red blood cells and DNA synthesis. This vitamin is particularly important for women of childbearing age. Adequate vitamin B12 intake helps to prevent neural tube defects in babies. Neural tube defects are birth defects of the brain or spinal cord. Vitamin B12 has a role in improving functions related to the brain. For example, attention span, memory, planning, and problem solving. Benefits of vitamin B12 have been explained in detail in another tutorial. Please visit our website for more details. Next, let us look at the food sources rich in vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is found only in non-vegetarian food. Shellfish, liver, kidney, and heart are excellent sources. Fish, meat, chicken, and eggs are also good sources. Let us now begin with the preparation of the recipes. The first recipe is chicken, heart, and liver curry. To make this recipe, take 1 heart and 1 liver of chicken. Other ingredients required are 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half lemon, handful of washed and chopped coriander leaves. You will need the following spices: 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Take salt according to taste and 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee. Procedure: wash the chicken heart and liver thoroughly. Take them in a bowl. Apply ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, and salt to them. Keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Heat oil or ghee in a pan and add chopped onions to it. Saute until they turn light golden. Add the chopped tomato and all the spices. Mix well and cook on low flame for 3 to 5 minutes. Then add the liver and heart into it. Add half a glass of water and cover the vessel. Cook on low flame for 7 to 10 minutes. Garnish the curry with washed and chopped coriander leaves. Chicken heart and liver curry is ready. 1 bowl of this curry gives around 8.7 micrograms of vitamin B12. Our second recipe is fish curry. I will use salmon to make the curry. You can use other fish as per availability. For example, cod, herring, mackerel. These are rich in vitamin B12. Ingredients required to make this curry are 150 grams of cleaned and washed salmon, 1 chopped onion, half chopped tomato, 1/4 coconut, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 to 5 curry leaves. You will also need half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 piece of kokum or tamarind, 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee, salt to taste. Procedure: grind onion, tomato, coconut, garlic and cumin seeds into a paste. Heat oil in a pan and add some curry leaves to it. Then add the prepared paste and saute it for 7 to 10 minutes on low flame. Add the spices and kokum or tamarind to it and cook it well. Add 1 glass of water and bring the curry to a boil. Then add the washed and cleaned pieces of fish to it. Cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Next, garnish the curry with coriander leaves. Fish curry is ready. 1 bowl of this curry will give you around 5 micrograms of vitamin B12. Instead of fish, you can also use lobsters, crabs, or oysters. If you use 150 grams of lobsters, you will get 6 micrograms of vitamin B12. If you use 150 grams of crabs, you will get 14 micrograms of vitamin B12. If you use 85 grams of oysters, you will get around 15 micrograms of vitamin B12. Our next recipe is mutton stew. Ingredients needed to make this recipe are 150 grams of mutton, 1/4 coconut, half chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic and green chili paste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder. You will also need 1 teaspoon of mixed whole spices. For example, peppercorn, cardamom, cinnamon stick, clove, bay leaf. You will also need half a cup of mixed vegetables. I will be using French beans, peas and carrots. Take salt according to your taste and 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee. Procedure: wash and clean the mutton thoroughly. Apply salt and ginger garlic and green chili paste to it. Keep it aside for 20 to 30 minutes. Heat oil in a pressure cooker and add the mixed whole spices and bay leaf. Then add chopped onion and saute it. Add the mutton pieces and turmeric powder. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 glass of water. Then put on the lid along with the whistle of the cooker. Cook on medium flame for 3 to 4 whistles. Meanwhile, you can prepare the coconut milk which has to be added to the stew. Grind the washed coconut pieces with half a cup of water. Strain the grounded coconut in a sieve. Squeeze the pulp to extract maximum milk. Collect the coconut milk in a bowl below the strainer. Put back the coconut residue in the mixer along with half a cup of water. Repeat the steps of grinding and extracting coconut milk twice. Once the mutton is cooked, open the lid after the pressure releases on its own. Add the prepared coconut milk and garam masala powder to it. Simultaneously add the vegetables. Cook on medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Mutton stew is ready. 1 bowl of this stew will give about 4.2 micrograms of vitamin B12. The next recipe is goat liver dry curry. To make this, you will need the following ingredients: 85 grams of goat liver, 1 sliced onion, 4 to 5 curry leaves, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon mustard seeds. Spices required are 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder. For garnishing, you will need a handful of coriander leaves and half lemon. Take salt according to taste and 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee. Procedure: wash the liver pieces thoroughly. Apply salt, ginger garlic paste and all the spices to the liver. Cover and keep it aside for half an hour. Transfer it into a vessel. Add 1 glass of water and cook for 5 minutes. Next, heat oil or ghee in a pan. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and curry leaves. Once it starts spluttering, add sliced onions and saute. Add the liver curry and cook until water evaporates. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves and lemon juice. Goat liver dry curry is ready. 1 bowl of this curry will give 77 micrograms of vitamin B12. Include all these nutritious recipes in your diet for good health. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for joining.